Hello friends, Namaste. Very good evening from Batterify. This video is to share the results of Kotak Mahindra Bank. Kotak Mahindra Bank results were declared today. So let us see the analysis of the Kotak Mahindra Bank. Results of Kotak Mahindra Bank for the second quarter of the current financial year. See, the results were declared today on 26th of October, and they were submitted to the exchanges around 12.55, 12:30 during the day. So let us see the summary of the results. Coming to the top line, the total income is increased by 22% on quarter-on-quarter basis, and the same is increased by 13% on year-on-year basis. The net profit is increased by 65% on quarter-on-quarter basis, but it is flat when it comes to year-on-year basis. On year-on-year basis, it is increased by just 1%. Coming to the earnings per share, increased by 65% on quarter-on-quarter basis and increased by 1% on year-on-year basis. Now let us see the margins. So the operating profit margin is increased by 6% on quarter-on-quarter basis, and the same is reduced by 11% on year-on-year basis. The net profit margin is increased by 36% on quarter-on-quarter basis, and the same is decreased by 10% on year-on-year basis. Let us see how the stock price has performed for the whole of the year. See, it was 1805 on the last day of the last financial year, that is as on 31st March of 2021, it was 1805, and from there it has moved to 2211 as of today. So the stock price is increased by 29% on quarter-on-quarter basis, that is from 1716 to 2211, and the same is increased by 69% on year-on-year basis, that is 1305 to 2211. Now, since Kotak Mahindra Bank stock is part of BSE Bank X, BSE Bank Index, let us see how the BSE Bank Index has performed. So it is increased by 20% on quarter-on-quarter basis, and the same is increased by 87% on year-on-year basis. And let us see how the Sensex has performed. Sensex is increased by 17% on quarter-on-quarter basis, and the same is increased by 59% on year-on-year basis. Now let us see the NPAs. See, the gross NPA on absolute terms decreased by 5% on quarter-on-quarter basis, and the same is increased by 41% on year-on-year basis. Coming to the net NPA, net non-performing assets, it is decreased by 12% on quarter-on-quarter basis, and the same are increased by 77% on year-on-year basis. Now this is percentage gross non-performing assets to gross assets. So they are decreased by 12% on quarter-on-quarter basis, and the same are increased by 24% on year-on-year basis. Now this is percentage of net non-performing assets to net assets. So they are decreased by 19% on quarter-on-quarter basis and increased by 56% on year-on-year basis. Now coming to the return on assets, it is increased by 62% on quarter-on-quarter basis and decreased by 6% on year-on-year basis. Now, since the results are declared and shared with the exchanges during the day, let us see how the stock has reacted to these results. The stock price is somehow seems sustained. So this was the previous close, 215450. It opened at the same 215450, and it went as low as 2123, and then it went as high as 2240, and finally closed at 2210, thereby giving a change of 56 rupees, which is 2.61%. Finally, as I share always, as we go, a quote for motivation from great ones. So Warren Buffett is one of the greatest wealth creators of the world. This is what he says: the best investment you can make is an investment in yourself. The more you learn, the more you will earn. So please read the disclaimer very carefully. And finally, somehow today the stock price was sustained, the stock levels were sustained despite these results. The results do not look very strong. They're very weak. And the stock price is already increased by 69% on year-on-year basis, whereas the EPS is increased by just 1%, net profit is increased by just 1% on year-on-year basis. So seeing these results, in our opinion, there could be some kind of correction in the stock price of Kotak Mahindra Bank. Thank you so much for listening. That is it as far as the Kotak Mahindra Bank Q2 results, analysis of the results are concerned. Let us meet again on some other stock. Thank you so much.